afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am delighted to welcome Regional Director Sir Carlito D. Rocafort, CESO 5, Schools Division Superintendent Sir Isagani S. De La Cruz, CESO 5, Officer in Charge, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Sir Mervy Y. Sablos, CESE, School Governance and Operations Division Chief Sir Victorino A. Fantas Jr., Public Schools District Supervisor, Ma'am Maria Angelica E. Figueroa, AGPSH School Head, Dr. Delsa R. Angeles, Committee on Education of Barangay Conal, Honorable Teofilo Palma, Conal SK Chairman, Honorable Ryan J. O. Loreca, to the amazing teachers, respected guests, faculties and staffs, proud parents, and to my fellow completers. It's an honor to stand here to witness this exquisite event of a lifetime that all of us waited for it to happen, and finally, here we are. Welcome to the night moving up ceremony of Antonino G. Busano Senior High School, batch 2023-2024. Malayo pa, pero malayo na. Our journey as junior high schoolers is a bittersweet circumstance that will precisely be treasured in our hearts and in our minds. We encountered difficulties such as failures, problems, and financial worries. However, we did not choose to give up. Instead, we faced it with acceptance and implanted the failures as lessons to our lives. These notes that we should never give up nor lose hope and keep on fighting, no matter how hard your status is. There is no success without failure, right? Hence, you really have to work hard for it in order to harvest its sweet fruit. The road might be rough along the way, but it will be all worth it in the end. I would also like to thank to my teachers who taught me not only classroom lessons, but lessons of a lifetime that will remain deeply in my mind. To my parents who unconditionally supported me all the way to my journeys. To my friends, and most especially to God, who gave us His full guidance in every move and steps we took and made. Kudos to everyone, we made it this far. May these milestones be unforgettable. Best wishes and congratulations, batch 2023-2024.